Bing. Wait for it, Boom. So I'm about to put the Hollyland wireless transmitter on here so I can monitor what I'm doing in the passenger seat of the car with the camera and what's going on back here. So we can do everything wirelessly, makes everything super simplified. The transmitter is giving a wireless feed from the Ninja V that I have to the Shogun Inferno that I have that's going to be in the car that I'm going to be monitoring and recording footage from. Beautiful. So this is the Ninja V. So the Hollyland is going to connect into the Ninja V. So it's going to transmit from the camera, the Atomos, and it's going to transmit from this Hollyland to the receiver in the car to the Shogun Inferno, and that's how I'm going to monitor everything. So, receiver on the top here. Seat that in nice. And HDMI out. Alright, so right now we have the Hollyland Mars 400S hooked up to the Shogun Inferno, which is getting a feed from the Sony A7S and the Ninja Inferno, and I can view everything wirelessly right now, so I don't need an 80-foot long HDMI cord to run into here. This makes everything effortless, streamlined, and downright simple and incredible.